Join me as I put the Innioasis R1 to the test. Can this full touchscreen voice recorder really handle AI transcription like a pro? Let's find out. The Innioasis R1 South African Rand is a game changer, boasting a full touchscreen interface and AI-powered transcription capabilities that promise to revolutionize the way we record and transcribe audio. Recording audio can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to achieving crystal-clear sound quality. Many of us have struggled with muffled voices, background noise, and poor audio clarity, making it difficult to discern what's being said. This can be frustrating, especially when trying to capture important meetings, interviews, or lectures. Poor organization is another common challenge faced by individuals when recording audio. With multiple files and recordings to keep track of, it's easy to lose or misplace important audio clips. This can lead to wasted time searching for specific recordings, taking away from productivity and efficiency. Transcription accuracy is also a significant concern, as manual transcription can be time-consuming and prone to errors. This can result in inaccurate or incomplete transcripts, which can have serious consequences in certain fields, such as journalism or law. In addition to these challenges, traditional voice recorders often lack user-friendly interfaces, making it difficult to navigate and manage recordings. The Innioasis R1 stands out from the crowd with its sleek and intuitive touchscreen interface, making it easy to navigate and manage recordings. The sound quality is exceptional, with clear and crisp audio that's perfect for capturing important meetings, interviews, or lectures. One of the most impressive features of the Innioasis R1 is its AI-powered transcription capabilities. This technology allows for fast and accurate transcription, saving users a significant amount of time and effort. Whether you're a journalist, student, or professional, the Innioasis R1 South African Rand is an invaluable tool for anyone who needs to record and transcribe audio. The benefits of AI transcription extend beyond just convenience. It also enables users to focus on more important tasks, such as analysis and editing. With the Innioasis R1, users can quickly and easily transcribe audio, freeing up time to focus on higher-level tasks. The Innioasis R1 South African Rand is also incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of applications, from podcasting and videography to interviews and lectures. Let's take a look at the Innioasis R1 in action. As you can see, the touchscreen interface is incredibly user-friendly, allowing users to easily navigate and manage recordings. The AI transcription feature is also remarkably accurate, producing high-quality transcripts with ease. In this demo, we'll be testing the recorder's ability to capture clear audio in a noisy environment. As you can hear, the sound quality is exceptional, with minimal background noise and crystal-clear vocals. The transcription process is also remarkably fast, with the Innioasis R1 producing accurate transcripts in a matter of seconds. This is a game-changer for anyone who needs to transcribe audio quickly and efficiently. Overall, the Innioasis R1 South African Rand is an impressive device that delivers on its promises, providing a powerful and user-friendly voice recording solution with AI transcription capabilities. The Innioasis R1 South African Rand is a powerful tool that can simplify recording and enhance productivity. With its user-friendly interface, exceptional sound quality, and AI-powered transcription capabilities, this device is a must-have for anyone who needs to record and transcribe audio. If you've had any experience with voice recorders or AI transcription, be sure to let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tech reviews and tutorials, be sure to check out our other videos.